Bestie, guess what?
What?
My mom gave me 99,999 Robux.
Oh, I still have no Robux.
What? You are so broke we not are besties anymore.
Don't leave me, I only have you cries.
She changes.
By brokey, I go to my rich friends.
I guess I will gonna play MM2 alone and look for friends.
She goes to MM2.
Hi my friend, leave me, will you be my friend?
Stay away from that rat, she has 0 Robux.
OMG, really? Leave me alone.
Cries.
Ugh, spoiled rich kids these days.
Who are you?
Don't worry about it. I can help you. I know Rika.
Really?
Yes, I have a picture of her. She's such a liar, but I have plan.
What is it?
First you need Robux, so I give you Robux.
Mary receives 10,000 Robux.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now we're a rich avatar.
She changes.
Perfect, now take this picture secretly and ask to be friends.
Thank you, really.
30 minutes later.
Who are you?
I'm Maria.
Maria? Your voice sounds familiar.
It's just imagination.
Whatever, BTW, I love your avatar.
Yeah. Thanks, I have a lot of Robux.
OMG, join our friend group, you are invited.
Mary joins the group chat.
Hi guys, meet Maria.
Hi, I'm Abigail.
And I'm Nathan.
And I'm Rika.
Do you guys want to do a face reveal?
And
Yeah.
I mean yes.
I'll go first.
Love it.
Gorgeous.
You next, Rika.
Him last.
Me next.
Handsome.
Nice.
This is me.
Fabulous.
Beautiful.
I guess it's my turn now.
Pretty.
Oh,
Adorable.
that's not you.
Wait, Rika, what she mean by that?
I don't know. Maria, if I don't look like that, show me proof.
Exactly why you are assuming.
Okay, here.
Where did you get that? I mean, that's my sister.
Yeah, sure, your sister.
OMG Rika, is this true?
Ugh, fine, that's neat.
OMG, Rika? You are U's voice changer?
Yes, so what?
So what? You are getting kicked, say goodbye.
No, another chance, please.
By Fakey.
Rika gets kicked.
Prize.
Haha.
Oliver, you did this?
Yes, now you know how it feels.
I hate you.